Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. I'm pretty sure you noticed tightening and untightening ring bolts can sometimes be a pain. But this ring bolt wrench can make it a lot easier. Let's take a look at it.
Unior's Chainring nut wrench is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel. It is chrome-plated to comply with EN 12540 and for years of use. The Chainring nut wrench has been punched with an hexagonal hole compatible with SW10 bolts and nuts. The central pin of the tool engages into the chainring bolt. It firmly holds the chainring nut for easy removal or installation of the bolt. The unbent side of the tool can be installed on the nut for installation, which makes it a lot more effective. The bent side of the tool can then be used for safe tightening of the bolt.
All good. See? It makes it a bliss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.